Hello, I'm Anna, polymer clay jewelry artist and a new mom. Today I have a plan to add photos to my Etsy shop, which were taken by professional photographer, and after that I will also try to make photos by myself, so stay with me, I hope I will make it. Today I'm wearing dangles from the Neutrals collection. They are gold plated and you can find them in my Etsy shop. Let's try to make product photos. I'm using simple setup, only white paper in the background and natural light from the window. I have also ring light, but let's try naturally this time. Every time in the past when I was taking product photos, it was not successful. But let me try, maybe this time is the successful time. These are my products for this launch. I'm in love with them, but I need also to show this shine and real colors through social media, so I need good photos. In real life are the products every time more beautiful than on photos. I tried to take photos of the products, but unfortunately it was not successful. As you can see from the screen, the photos are not sharp enough, there is no depth, and I want to feel warmth when I see the earrings. I need to get the break with the herbal tea. It is a great way to calm down and consider the next step. I like herbal tea the most as they are not sour and they are healthy. I was very disappointed, but I don't want to share and gain and expand this negative energy anymore. I will just call my friend who is a professional photographer, and she will take the photos, professional photos for me. So let's focus now on the another task. I have already professional photos, so let's do it. I have updated the listing section in my shop. I need some more photos of the jewelry on a person so you can see how the earrings fit. Also, the packaging photos are missing. I have a lot of work I didn't even imagine when I decided to start my jewelry business. This is all for now for this video. See you in another video with another small business challenges. Take care!